Solar inverters can definitely increase the performance of your home appliances, your electrical appliances. A solar inverter will always generate a pure sine wave at a constant amplitude. It's not gonna change at all no matter what type of loads you connect to the inverter. I will show you some real graphs today, and the first one is coming from our solar assistant. As you can see, the blue graph illustrates the output we feed to the home appliances. For this interval, we get the voltage from the grid. Everything is connected to the grid, and the voltage, unfortunately, moves all the time. We measured even 255 volts. Today we had up to 245. We have some sudden dips down to 230, and on top of that we get some important harmonics, low or high frequency harmonics. It depends in what area you are located. But harmonics are quite harmful for all kinds of electrical appliances. Now, when we switch back to the inverter, from 6 o'clock until 8 o'clock at night, all the appliances are connected to the inverter, and the amplitude is all the time 220 volts. We suggest to change the settings to 240 because higher voltage means lower current, and that means your devices run at lower temperatures, lower current, the same power, but they run at the optimum point. So consider again that this straight line represents the amplitude of a pure sine wave. This is the pure sine wave. This is what we feed from a solar inverter to our home appliances. Perfect quality, the best quality of power, the product of voltage and current. Now, looking at some grid measurements, this is a three-phase system. However, you can see some low harmonics imposed on the voltages, and as you can see, they are distorted, and distorted waveforms are not ideal for our appliances. That's why, on top of all the other benefits we get from solar inverters, we need to consider that a solar inverter can definitely help our devices to run at the maximum without any problems at all.